Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Like it's in a primary. Guys, this is where I attended my primary. Like, oh my goodness, it brings all the memories that I had. How beautiful.
Like guys, like guys, since then Johnny manj because like koloi mo di mogaka guys ke mo di mogaka no Tatile, no, what you're doing, it's wrong, my baby. What you're doing, it's totally wrong. What's say? What is this? Huh? What is this? Guys. Hey, good class.
Good morning, my golden darlings. Good morning, my angels. I just realized, I got the intro on this vlog. And once I do that, know that there will never be an intro. There will never be an intro. So if it's your first time right here, and welcome to my. Sorry about that, guys. What was I saying? Anyway, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I hope you guys are well and doing great. If it's your first time tuning in, and make sure that you subscribe. You like this video, okay? Guys, today it's, what day is it today? It's Thursday today. Today it's Thursday because I uploaded my vlog yesterday. So today it's Thursday and I've started my vlog yesterday. We went to vote, me and mom. But Nani Kisaya, I can next vote you guys because I just realized that I did not register. The last time I voted, so in my mind, I thought I've registered because I vote only to find out Nikki vote la cancel. So I didn't vote, but I hope you guys have voted if you're from here in South Africa. I sound like a coconut, guys. Yo. If you have voted, I'm so proud of you, my angel. I am so proud of you. So much. So this is me starting a new vlog. And let's continue with it. And please like this video right now. And pause and subscribe. And I'll see you guys when I see you, okay? I always like taking on Tatsile for a nature walk. So we're going there right now. We're taking a little walk with him. So be part of it.
All night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. I'm saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it's taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Come on, my baby. Exercise, me.
Come through
Hey,
and
chill. Hola, Pila. Eh? Hola, Pila, my chum. Are you tired, my baby? This is me as a mother. Guys. So, Manele started a walk, son. You must, you know, you're ready hiking. Hakul. Ready hiking. Without struggling.
come through and chill.
We're back. Oh man. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Me and Ontatile, we usually do those walks. We started last week. But today we did more than that because actually because we were with my mom. My mom decided to join us. So and I enjoyed it. I don't wanna lie. I enjoyed it. The fresh air was just refreshing. There's something about nature. Like there's something about nature and it's just happiness in my soul. It is just happiness in my soul. Like God is so great. God is so good. He's just definitely amazing because wow. Let me just take you along with me. I hope you guys have enjoyed the little walkie walk, the nature walk with me, and yeah. So no ke batla lo go tsamollo. Mama batla go apaya mama. So I re ya pe ko mollo because motlakase wa fela. Guys, no motlakase the units tsa motlakase no yo. Sona one is I sell sona nix. So we're just gonna quickly cook our beef. It's junior, it is junior in there, yeah. So I have to go kilo kotamol. Guys, let me wanna enjoy a young walk.
Let me tell you something, sweetie. If you don't know how to make a fire, come to a ride video. So be my guest today, okay? I'm gonna teach you how to make a fire. Okay?
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone.
The next day.
Ontatile, no, my baby. Why? Oh my God, bro. And what has happened? What must happen? So guys, guys, like literally, I'm so like what has guys? He's not even stopping. No, it's my angel. No, but I'm over. Oh, Sana. Guys, I don't know what to do with it. Like literally, I need somebody to cry with me because I can't, guys. I can't. Oh, like, yo. Guys, no, don't have kids. I'm advising you, take my advice. Let's scan Nalebana because this one, this is not what I signed up for. Literally. What about Zohak? When I know what's Hasa, what's Hasa one of you? That time on the Tangamu, I said, I need you guys to pray for me. I need you guys to pray for me because I'm dying. Abuta Vaslini Kyoba Tungapalu. Yo, now I'm so exhausted. Yo, I'm tired, Buffett. Yo, I'm tired. Yo. And that time, I was so exhausted. We're just gonna sit there, watch Cocomelon. And yes, I'll show you how to watch Cocomelon. And he took that Vaseline, he opened it and just Mimia himself. That type you go kitchening. And funny enough is that I was on a live on my phone, and I'm preparing to cook. Something say Tamago camera hakirio. Guys, good lucky. The way I was so bored, so I just want to close off this vlog. I wish I can post it tomorrow, but because I said Wednesday, let me not, mess up my schedule. But all I want to say is that goodbye to May. Today is the 31st of May, and May has been so amazing. I don't want to lie. It has been so amazing. I've been reflecting so much into my life, and I am so proud of myself despite anything, despite anything that might happen. I am way too proud of myself and way too happy. One thing that made me so happy is that guys. That's one thing that made me so proud. And secondly, what else? There's a lot that you know. In life, we are too quick to forget about the things that we have accomplished. Let's say this month you did this and that and that and that and that. Like you did a lot of stuff, ne? And when the month ends, you forget to just reflect back and just remembering everything that you've done, good or bad, I'm one of those people, by the way. I'm one of those people. I'm just leaving. So, no, I'm like, I need to just quickly reflect to each and every month. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I want to start journaling things down. But I will see when time goes by. When time goes by, I want to start doing that because to achieve a lot of things, we get a chance to meet certain people that brings so much joy into our lives. Even though they are temporary people, May has brought something very beautiful in my life, which I didn't even see, God's plan. So I just want to say, let's just be grateful as well. Let's just be grateful. Let's just be thankful. You might be struggling right now. You might not be where you want to be at this right moment. But remember that you are not where you were back there. So there's a progress in your life that you're not aware of. So the thing that will make you aware is to just reflect, Just take time and just look back and be like, ooh. Something happened, this is what I had and had, This day, I met who and who and who. This day, we went out with who and who, those things are so important. Those things are so important because this whole life is just a whole journey. It's just a whole journey that we need to just write about it and look back. I'm so happy that I started my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel is one of those
platform that reminds me of the milestone that I had, the achievement that I had, everything that I had. Because the time when I get time, I'm going to just take this moment and just go back to my first video, you know, and watch those, like, you know, everything. So I just want to leave you with that. Let's just pour ourselves with love, happiness, peace, and joy. Tell yourself that you're beautiful. Be kind to yourself. Love yourself. Be great, man. Be great. You're the greatest. So you must always be grateful for the life that you're living, for the love that you have. Be kind to yourself. You have changed so many lives of so many people, and you are really forgetting yourself. But sometimes you need to just focus on yourself and be kind to yourself, okay? And I would love to say, let's just enter June with a grateful heart. Let June be kind to us, be peaceful, you know. A re tseneng ka movuguvugu ka itse go le tshaba sa rame, mara a re tseneng ka sevuguvugu se le sa ko June se, you know. Hope it's lovely, hope it's fabulous. Continue with whatever that you have. If you want to accomplish something, keep on going. Keep on going. It might not have happened this month, but next month I'm definitely sure that it's going to happen. Remember, God's timing is always perfect, okay? So like I'm rumbling. I can hear myself. I'm rumbling and I'm so tired. It's 9 o'clock, 9:30. And I'm so tired. So I just wanted to leave you with that. And let's just say bye to May and hello to June. So I'm going to start a vlog. Today it's Friday, so tomorrow it's Saturday. So maybe if there's something happening tomorrow, probably I'll vlog. So I'll see you guys when I see you. I love you guys so much, and thank you very, very much for your continuous support. And I'll definitely see you guys on my next video, okay? 1,000 kisses to you, my angel. Good night.